Let's anchor our perspective right out of the gate. Nokia trades at a live price anchor hovering near the low double digits, a valuation that casual retail investors and mainstream financial media treat with casual indifference. To the average algorithmic feed scrolling through headlines on Robinhood, Weibo, or Yahoo Finance, Nokia, as ticker symbol NOK, is permanently boxed into an outdated mental category, a faded relic of the early 2000s mobile handset era, a slow-moving European telecom hardware provider weighed down by the multi-year capital expenditure digestion cycle of 5G rollouts by Tier 1 network operators. Wall Street pundits routinely frame the stock through a dusty lens, viewing it as a defensive value trap that prints modest dividends while lagging the explosive momentum of high-flying semiconductor darlings and software-as-a-service winners. This widespread public perception is not merely incomplete, it is a textbook case of market mispricing driven by backward-looking anchoring bias. While retail sentiment fixates on legacy mobile networks and flat consumer upgrade cycles, the structural reality of the modern digital economy has undergone a violent, physics-driven transformation that completely bypasses standard market commentary. The real bottleneck in the artificial intelligence supercycle is no longer just how many graphics processing units or tensor processing units can be crammed onto a single silicon wafer inside a server rack. The true, unforgiving bottleneck is the speed of light, thermal dissipation, and data transfer bandwidth across optical fibers linking geographically dispersed hyperscale data centers. As mega-cap tech enterprises scramble to train massive large language models, clusters containing hundreds of thousands of specialized accelerators are hitting absolute physical limits of power consumption and intra-data center footprint. To break through the 1 million GPU cluster barrier, tech giants cannot simply rely on traditional electrical routing. They are forced to deploy advanced scale-across and data center interconnect, or DCI, architectures. This is where the mainstream narrative completely disconnects from reality. Behind the quiet hum of institutional balance sheets, Nokia has methodically engineered a high-margin structural pivot, morphing into an indispensable technological gatekeeper of optical networking, 800G coherent routing, and AI-native digital infrastructure. Financial media continues to track mobile base station shipments while ignoring that Nokia's network infrastructure division is quietly fulfilling multi-billion-dollar enterprise and hyperscaler orders for ultra-high-capacity optical transport systems. The market is pricing Nokia as a stagnant phone maker turned cell tower vendor, while institutional smart money is quietly accumulating a foundational picks and shovels play powering the global AI backbone.